Introducing Arctis 5 RGB illuminated headset. The headphone comes with exclusive Clearcast mic, delivers studio quality voice clarity and background noise cancellation. Detachable USB sound card with chat mix allows you to adjust the balance between game and chat volume on the fly. S1 speaker drivers and DTS headphone X 7.1 surround sound on PC, stereo audio available on Mac, PS4, Xbox One, VR, Switch, and mobile. Arctis headsets feature athletics-inspired performance fabric air weave ear cushions and a ski goggle suspension headband for lasting comfort. Arctis headsets feature athletics-inspired performance fabric air weave ear cushions to keep your ears cool and dry. SteelSeries Engine software allows you to personalize the audio for your Arctis, from EQ to surround sound settings. It's one of the best headphone for you. To get one, check the Amazon link on video description.